Welcome to the new video of Freedom Blueprint. In this video, I will teach you my scalp model using external range liquidity and internal range liquidity. This scalp model really has a high win rate and you can use it in crypto, forex and indices. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. As I told you in previous video that external range liquidity is just highs and lows. In this video we will use previous day highs and lows as our external range liquidity. If the previous day high or low is breached, it indicates that the market has took the external range liquidity. This is the previous day candle and this is the previous day candle low and this is the previous candle day high. After external range liquidity taken out, our aim will be internal range liquidity, that is fair value gap. To find a fair value gap, we will use 1 hour chart. Market took the previous day low and now we look for long entry here and we will target this fair value gap in 1 hour chart. How we will align the time in this model? We will use daily chart to mark previous day high and low and then we will use 1 hour chart for marking fair value gap. After that, we will look for our entry in 15-minute chart. This is a checklist before entering the trade using the scalp model. Price should take out the previous day high or low. We should have a fair value gap in 1 hour chart, but if we don't have a fair value gap in 1 hour chart, we will use 15-minute chart. We will wait for a true day open, which is 12 AM Eastern. We will not open any date before 12 AM Eastern. We should have a SMT in 15-minute chart. After changing state of delivery or market structure shift in 15-minute time frame, we can enter in our trade and we will target 1 hour fair value gap. Now let's have an example. This is the previous day candle. This is the high of the previous day candle and this is the low of previous day candle. We will wait for market to take this low or this high. Market took out the previous day low and now we'll look for long entry here and we will target this fair value gap in 1 hour chart. At this area, we will look for long entries. First of all, let's discuss SMT. In this video, I will just give you an idea how it looks like. If you want to go in depth, then there is a lot of videos on YouTube already about it. Two pairs that are correlated with each other, meaning they tend to move together. Here we have a GBP USD and Euro USD. Most of the time, if GBP created low, Euro will also create a low. But in some cases, GBP USD did not break the low, while Euro USD break the low. That means we have SMT between these two pairs. If we are bullish, then we look for these types of SMTs. But if we are bearish, then we look for these types of SMTs. One pair took the high while other pair did not took the high. Here you can see GBP USD break the high while Euro USD did not break the high. So it is a SMT between these two pairs. This is a real chart example of how SMT looks like. This is GBP CHF chart and this is Euro CHF chart. GBP CHF chart break this low while Euro CHF did not break this low. This is SMT between these two pairs. Now let's come back to our example. Let's took out the previous day low. We look for long entries here and we will target this fair value gap in 1 hour chart. Now we will go in 15-minute chart and we look for long entries. We can see GBP CHF break this low while Euro CHF did not break this low. This is SMT between these two pairs. Now we will wait for a change in state of delivery. After that, we can enter in our position. We can take entry on any fair value gap or any order block. Target will be 1 hour fair value gap and we can set stop loss below this order block. Now let's understand this model with some more chart examples. I have marked the high and low of previous day. Now we will look for trade tomorrow after 2-day open, which is 12 AM Eastern. I have mentioned the date so you can go and check it on your charts. But I am not looking for any trade until 12 AM Eastern. This is the previous day low and this is the previous day high. Market took out the previous day high. If market give a sharp move to upside or downside, I will be not interested in any position. After 12 AM Eastern, I will look for short entry here. Simply I draw a dealing range and around this equilibrium point, I am looking for a fair value gap in 1 hour chart. But in 1 hour chart, we don't have any fair value gap. So we can use 15-minute chart to find a fair value gap. In 15-minute chart, we have a fair value gap here. We look for short entry here and we will target this fair value gap. GBP did not break this high while Euro USD break this high. So this is SMT between these two pairs. Now we are waiting for a change in state of delivery and then we can enter in a short position and we will target this 15-minute fair value gap. If market did a candle close below this, then we can look for short entry. Here we have a candle close below this. So we can enter in a short position and now our stop loss will be above this swing high and target will be this fair value gap. You can see how exactly market move from our entry to our internal range liquidity, which is a fair value gap in 15-minute chart. Now let's have one more example. I have marked the previous day high and the previous day low. Now I have opened the 1 hour chart. This is the previous day high and this is the previous day low. I'm looking for market to take out this low or this high. Then we look for trade. Market did not took this low while market take this high. Now simply I draw a range And around this equilibrium, I will look for the fair value gap. And here we have a fair value gap in 1 hour chart. We will look for a short entry here and we will target this fair value gap. Let's move into 15-minute chart to find our entry. This is a 15-minute chart. Here we have a SMT with Euro USD. And now we look for the change in state of delivery. Here we have a change in state of delivery. We can look for short entry here and we can set stop loss above this high and we will target this 1 hour fair value gap. You can see price exactly move from our entry toward this 1 hour fair value gap. Let's have one last example for the better understanding. I have marked the previous day high and the previous day low. And now I will look for new entry tomorrow on 26 September after 12 am Eastern. This is the hourly chart. This is the high and this is the low of previous day. Price took out the previous day low, but I am not looking for any trade until 12 am Eastern. If price give a sharp move to downside or upside before 12 am Eastern, I will be not looking for any trade. After 12 am Eastern, I draw a dealing range in 1 hour chart. Around this equilibrium, I am looking for the fair value gap and here we have. We will look for the long entry here and we will target this 1 hour fair value gap. This is the 15-minute chart. We have SMT here. After the SMT, we are looking for the change in state of delivery and here we have. After CSD, we can enter in our long position and we can set stop loss below this SMT low. Our target will be this fair value gap in 1 hour chart. You can see how price move from our entry toward 1 hour fair value gap. This is previous day high and this is previous day low. Right now, I'm waiting for market to take this high or this low. And after 12 am Eastern, we can look for new entry. If you don't know, I use this New York time zone. You can also use this. Right now, I'm waiting for 12 am Eastern before entering any trade. After 12 am Eastern, I'm waiting for market to take this high or this low. Market took out this high. Now simply draw a dealing range from this high to this low. Around this equilibrium, I'm looking for a fair value gap and here we have. We will look for a short entry here and we will target this fair value gap. Now let's move on 15-minute chart. This is a 15-minute chart. Now we will wait for the SMT and then change in state of delivery, and after that we can enter in our position and we'll target this fair value gap. Here we have change in state of delivery. We don't have any SMT here. If market tap here and give a SMT, then we can look for short position. Market tap on this order block and we also have SMT with Euro USD. And now we can enter in our short position. We can put our stop loss above this SMT high and our final target will be this fair value gap. I will suggest you when you get to RR, you can close your trade or you can go break even. This is our final target, this 1 hour fair value gap. These are some key points to get best results with this scalp model. I used some recent examples so you can go on your charts and can learn it. I don't recommend so many pairs because it will affect your psychology. Maximum you can use 3 set of pairs at same time. Personally, I will suggest you to focus only one set of pair, like you can focus on Euro USD and GBP USD and note it on Monday with this scalp model. These are some correlated assets you can use to see SMT. Take a screenshot and save it. If you want to see me applying these concepts in the real market before the move happen, you can join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description.